In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this Oppo device. Firstly, go into Settings, then scroll down and choose Password and Security. Now you need to tap on Face over here, enter your current login method, and tap on Continue. After that, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions above. Now select Done, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Oppo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!